Are you feeling flush about supersizing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom or expression for this month, our financial related idiom or expression, is feeling flush. Now, there are days, there are times we want to flush our entire business down the toilet, but my question for you is, are there many, many more days when you're feeling excited, when you're feeling a sudden emotion in a positive way about growing and supersizing and building your business? I will admit there are good days and bad days whenever we're doing anything, right? It's like with our health. Some days we feel great. Some days we can barely get out of bed, but we have to decide how we're going to respond to that. Same is true of building and supersizing our business. Feeling flush is an old expression. It comes from the Latin fluxus or something. I don't speak Latin, so I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but fluxus, which means flow. So flowing. Are we flowing as we grow and supersize our business? More often than not. I say more often than not because depending on the stage you are in growing and building your business, we hit stages and it's like a step ladder or a set of stairs when we're growing our business. We don't just go from A to Z or from the bottom of and zero to a million or $1 billion without a lot of up and down along the way. If your business has, more power to you. Please contact me and let me know how you've done it, because I would love to know. I'm always helping myself with my businesses and other people with their businesses to grow and build and supersize. And we're always looking for ways to do it better, to continually improve. So what the heck does feeling flush mean? Now, we all know what flushing the toilet is because we do it many times a day, depending on where you live, I suppose. Some places do not have flushing toilets. I learned that in my corporate career and my business travels. So what does it mean? It's a strong feeling of anger, excitement, pleasure, something that often is accompanied by a redness in the face or blushing, right? As much as I hate to admit it, I have been prone to blushing, mostly when I was younger. Now it would take a lot to make me blush. I think I might get appalled before I'd probably blush about something. But I might blush or I might get red in the face if I'm angry, probably more angry than any other thing. But I don't really get angry very often. So that would be, again, a rarity. But sometimes you get red in the face when you feel strong emotion, right? Strong emotions in any direction, just like anything else, there's a positive and a negative. There's different perspectives and different ways of looking at everything. And I've come to learn the older I get and the more open I am to seeing things from different points of view, the smarter I am, because I've learned to not comment on things that I don't clearly understand because I haven't seen the other perspective. And I ask more questions to understand before I say anything, which would make my father very proud, because he always told us, he used the expression, better to keep your mouth shut and not say something that makes you look stupid than to open your mouth and remove all doubt from the people that you're around. So I actually like this expression. I don't know if I've ever said I feel flush. Maybe when I was sick or something, I might have said, oh, I feel flush. But I like the definition where it means abundance, and it's some type of abundance or excitement or exhilaration or a feeling of lively and cheerful joy. I choose to accept that definition of feeling flush and using that going forward as I'm building and growing and supersizing my business. So today I'm going to think about, and I encourage you to as well, what is flush to you? What things in your business just get your juices flowing and get you excited and make you want to do what it is that you're doing every single day? I would love if you'd share one of those things in the comments below so we can learn from one another and grow and supersize our businesses in ways that make us happy and make the world a better place. Any questions, hit me up. We're going to be focusing on financial well-being, idioms all this month. May is our money month. And, because for most of us, financial means money. We can be rich in many ways. And we'll talk about that as we go through the annual BU 365-day challenge, where we're doing one thing every day to continually improve. And as part of that, we're following a life framework that I've used for at least 4 decades, probably almost 5. Learned it originally, Tony Robbins, back in the late 70s, early 80s. which I'm sure he got it from Jim Rohn, and they go through the whole chain of gurus who we learn things from one another. All right. I will see you tomorrow. Have an absolutely awesome day. Feel flush about your business, and don't forget to flush. Have a great day. Bye.